Reminds me of the Polar Express. Anyways, an engineering marvel as a bus passes us. Something like 56 tunnels and 110 bridges. I don't know. Built in the 1860s, but it's a hell of a view. Amazing.
Termina Suat, vermeders u domanda. Termina Suat, halt auf Verlangen. Termina Suat, request stop.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So, here again, I turned 58 in Davos, Switzerland, and I've been trying to travel on my birthday, at the very least, on my birthday, for the last 4 years, since I turned 55, and it seems to be working for me. I don't always want to go, but I know I have to. So, turned 55 in Florida at the South Seas Plantation. Turned 56 in Hawaii on the Big Island at the Volcano House. 57 last year. I turned 57 in Costa Rica, and 58 in Zurich here. I don't remember a lot of my birthdays growing up, but I remember every one that I travel on, so I guess that's kind of exciting for me. Alright, that's all I got. I'm thinking about a cruise, Mediterranean, a Eastern Mediterranean cruise through Greece, Turkey, on the cheap, you know. So that's my thing. Take care now. Love art if you can. Be good.